Skylar, come here. Skylar, come here. Come here, Skylar. There's a surprise for us.
Hi, Hunter.
I'm waiting for Hunter.
Are you reading a book?
I want to see it.
Yeah, what book is that? What is that book about, Hunter?
Watch this.
Okay,
Oh, don't make an escape.
let's put your pajamas on.
This is some.
Hey, Skylar.
Come here.
Hey, Brandon.
What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
Okay, let's put your
Mommy has to
put your
see
shirt
it.
on.
He's gonna. It's an elephant. Yeah, that's right. Watch this.
Around.
Trick or treat.
Spin around. Spin around.
Let's see this.
Hunter,
Hunter, where's
open
your
your
surprise?
open your gift.
Look, Hunter.
Oh, what is that? Oh,
Hey, just a minute, Skylar. Come stand over here.
I wonder
Come
what's
stand right
gonna be.
here. Hunter, what is it? Open it up. Wait. Let's let Hunter do it.
what is that, Hunter? Oh,
Open it up. What is it? Wait. Let him do it. Let him do
sit down, Brandon. Everybody else, sit down.
What is it? Ducky.
Don't take it away, Brandon. Don't take it away. Move out of the way, son.
I don't want that dog.
That's, you know what? When we go to the school to take you to preschool, in the library there's Clifford the big red dog, and Hunter loves to go and pick him up every single time we go in there. And so the librarian found one.
Don't take that away, son. Brandon.
Hunter,
Brandon, move out of the way, please.
show Daddy, there's Clifford. Show Daddy a puppy
Oh,
dog.
is that a doggy?
That's Doggy, that's Clifford.
What does the dog say?
A bunny.
Hunter's surprised. We can be happy for Hunter.
I don't want that surprise.
But Hunter does, okay? It's not your
But I
surprise.
don't like it.
Where's Clifford? Doggy? Doggy? Hunter, where's Hunter's nose? Where's
Hunter's nose.
Beep! Where's your nose?
Me.
Me. Eyes.
Where's your ears?
Where's your ears? Where's Hunter's tummy?
Yeah.
Jump. Can you jump?
Yeah.
Jump. Jump.
Go. Yeah.
Where's Hunter's feet? There's your feet. There's your feet. Mm-hmm.
Oh. Hey, where's the monster's nose? Where's the monster's nose? Where's Ernie's nose? Where's Ernie's nose? That's right.
Where's Mommy's nose?